It's my honor to welcome all of you to the 19th convocation. This also happens to be the auspicious time in the history of Nalsar, as we will soon be completing 25 years. The convocation marks the beginning of our Silver Jubilee celebrations, which will include several other academic, social and cultural activities in the coming few months. We are grateful to Honorable Chief Justice of India, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, who readily agreed to deliver the convocation address this year. Chief Justice Chandrachud, we all know, is widely known for his erudition and scholarship, having delivered several important verdicts. These verdicts of Chief Justice serve as exemplars of legal writing and scholarship, and for teachers, it is like a teaching tools in understanding law and its interpretation. We are looking forward to listening to the convocation address. Legal education today is interdisciplinary, interprofessional, and international. We orient students through an analytical and critical lens grounded in interdisciplinary inquiry. Our 5-year integrated BA LLB honors program offers diverse basket of optional courses, electives, seminar, and clinical courses. Similarly, the management program also builds strong and viable business in the light of regulatory climate. We would like to develop more synergies between law and management programs in future. Going forward, we are also exploring the possibility of initiating more full-time programs after having made the necessary investments in faculty hiring and developing the necessary infrastructure. The LLM and PhD programs are very intensive and offers very wide range of courses to widen the horizons and maximize learning. The Student Bar Council SBC, through the Social Responsibility and Student Welfare Committee and the Academic Committee, runs a mentorship program for first-year students to navigate through the law school. The significant developments in this year include completing the construction of 2 new hostel blocks, expansion of dining hall and dedicated classrooms for distance education programs. The health center was just inaugurated today. We have technologically upgraded 15 classrooms for hybrid instruction. We are especially grateful to Justice B.P. Jeevan Reddy, who gave a generous contribution to support the International Trade and Business Law Center. Dr. P.S. Rao, who has previously worked in the Legal and Treaties Division of the Ministry of External Affairs and who also served in the International Law Commission, joined the university as a chair professor. We encourage the teachers to publish in international peer-reviewed journals. This year, 9 teachers were given the research incentive. IPR chair hosted a number of workshops this year to promote awareness and intellectual property rights. We recently hosted a national seminar on forensic science in collaboration with Truth Labs. We will be hosting Courts and the Constitution, which is one of the very important, significant seminar every year Nalsar is organizing. This year, Courts and the Constitution will be organized in March this year, which will be inaugurated by Honorable Mr. Justice Ravindra Bhai. We signed recently MOUs with Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, National Police Academy, International Arbitration Mediation Center, ICRISAT. We are also in the process of exploring more partnership with foreign universities. Now let me share notable achievements of our alumni and students. Several of our alumni are now doing very well in litigation, law firms, academia, civil service, and other walks of life. We hope to involve a substantial number of our alumni in our academic and extension activities. We would like to establish a standing committee of Nalsar alumni for more constant dialogue and interactions. I am happy to share that a team of the Nalsar became the first Indian team to win the ICC International Commercial Mediation Competition held in Paris this February. Another team from Nalsar recently won the South Asia rounds of Munro E. Prize Media Law Moot Court competition and will now proceed to the international rounds. Well in spectrum of competitions ranging from policy to business planning and case studies. We seek to expand our horizons into being a multidisciplinary institution, and we have already started exploring steps towards it by starting the Department of Management Studies in order to build a center of excellence of multidisciplinary education with a focus on legal skills. We would need great expansion of our infrastructure, physical, digital, and intellectual infrastructure, for which we look forward to the ever-present support of the Telangana government. I must acknowledge and place on record the Chief Minister, Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao's and the state government support in the building of the infrastructure of Nalsar. As I mentioned earlier, our first priority is to expand faculty strength to meet the growing needs We have plans to engage several experienced scholars to join the university as chair professors and research consultants. My dear students, we have gathered here today for the award of degrees and diplomas to the students who completed their studies in 2022. Let me congratulate the graduating students and their family members. Remember the golden rule of life memorably observed by Sudha Murthy, a well-known writer, engineer and philanthropist. Sudha Murthy said, "We can give our children only two things in life, strong roots and powerful wings. Then they may fly anywhere and live independently." It is true in case of all of you. The law degree gives you the power to fly with strong roots of knowledge, skills and peace of mind in life, which is more important. This is more important than money, status, and privilege. Don't go after money. Work hard. Be a good lawyer, teacher, policy maker, social worker, above all, a good human being. Lastly, I have the few words to the outgoing batch. Welcome to the 2,000 strong Nalsar alumni network. As we continue our efforts to create a stronger alumni association, I hope for continued support from you in form of mentorship of students, sharing of professional expertise, and participation in university events. I hope the professional relationships you developed here in the university will continue beyond our campus and will be beneficial to you in your future. We look forward to staying in touch and following your progress in your individual journey. Thank you. Jai Hind.